There are many mental health lessons to be learned from COVID-19 by Fraser Smith, read by Graham Howell. The world has changed a lot in 2020, and the impact of COVID-19 has been felt by many people in a multitude of ways. On GetPsyched, we have been looking into the ways we can look after our mental health and anxiety during these unprecedented times. However, we also want to consider what we can learn about our mental health from this experience. Going forward, an important message that can be taken from this experience is that mental health is real and it is important. Gratitude. Gratitude is vital. Right now there are a lot of things I'm sure we all miss, whether it's going to the gym, grabbing a coffee, or the many people working in jobs that we often take for granted. Fascinatingly, various studies have found the impact of expressing gratitude more often can increase well-being and has a positive implications for your mental health. So while we may have many things that we miss right now, hopefully we can learn about things that are important and meaningful to us. This will hopefully allow us to increase our gratitude in the future. Find value in the little things. Similar to gratitude, valuing little things can positively impact our mental health. When our lives are restricted or we have been faced with a stressful life event, it can allow us to understand the value of little things in our lives. Just being able to go outside and talking to the people we love are things we often forget about or ignore when we are focused on other things. However, due to the current events, these things now have a greater value and importance than ever before. So valuing these little things is something we hope to take into the future, even after the events of COVID-19. Social connections are important. One of the most impactful lessons we can learn from COVID-19 is the importance of connection. Studies have shown time and time again that connection with other people is vital for our overall well-being. Connection with others can even improve our immune system, showing the power of having these social relationships. Having to be apart from our loved ones has highlighted the importance of deep, meaningful connections with others. The lack of connection for everyone right now has resulted in increased use of video calls, social media platforms, and even simple phone calls. Hopefully, the recognition of the need for deep social connections will continue after the COVID-19 pandemic is over, so that we can further develop these connections and improve our well-being and the well-being of others. Takeaway. During these strange times, it is encouraging to see the raised awareness and interest in mental health and how important it is for everyone to think about. During the pandemic, there has been important focus on physical health, and for good reason. The interest and discussion around the impact of COVID-19 on our mental health is incredibly encouraging. However, this experience will advance the conversation in how real mental health is and how vital it is to our well-being.